Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and here's a new project for you. I made a fireplace a while back and I used a stamper, a rectangular stamper as the mantle. For the body of the fireplace I used small wooden blocks and I glued them together. To cover the front of the fireplace I used magnetic strips which have those little triangles on them, just to cover the wood. In the interior, right behind the tea light, I used a piece of Christmas card. Then, as the flooring of the fireplace and the interior of the fireplace, I used the adhesive white little tiles that you find at the Dollar Tree. And then I added the tea light as the fire. So that's how I made the fireplace. Then I added these little miniatures that I have all around, like that little ceramic cat that I got at the thrift shop the other day. Then on the top of the mantle, a ceramic clock. I also got that the other day. I believe it was the flea market. And then I had these little charms. See that charm and that one? Those I got at Michael's. And I placed them on two bases that I had. Then over there in the corner I had that nice glass piece right there, and I added a light. So you might be wondering what that light was. That light is the base of an egg, of a plastic Easter egg. So this year for Easter, when I was shopping for my granddaughter, I found these colored plastic eggs. So this doesn't have the other part. I have it somewhere else. But it is a light, so they light up. See? So that pink one is the same light, the same egg. So I placed it on the little piece that I had and I made a lamp out of it. The flooring is just paper, a decorative paper that makes a rug. Then over here I have that vintage lipstick cap that belonged to one of my mom's lipsticks, and I added some Christmas decor there. And then those two vases that you see there, I got those this weekend, and I placed a little plant on there, in there. So then the background over here is just a little piece of paper. That's all it is, decorative paper. And the little plants, of course, right there. And this all takes place, do you know where? In the drawer. That's all it is. So I hope you like this project, and I'll be back with some more. And thank you for watching.